Today's star of the shave is the Saiver 2.0 razor. Stay tuned for a golden shave. Hi, my name is Jason. You can find me on Instagram as the Golden Age Wet Shaver. Today we're doing the Razor Company Shave in Chat. And today, the star of the shave is the Saiver 2.0 razor. I'm also using Adopted Acres Soap Company Homestead Barbershop Soap and Splash. My beautiful Altaire from Aylsworth. It's the G5C knot. My trusty TRC lather bowl. And of course, my bougie sprayer. Ah, man, I just want to have a nice shaving chat. Send a positive message. You know, there are days where you feel like you're worthless or even obsolete, like you don't matter anymore. You don't contribute to society. But let's turn this feeling of obsolete into a feeling of becoming unobtainium. Unobtainium, yeah. And I'm going to explain how. I'm going to give a couple of examples. I'm a big fan of the NFL. Oh my God. I'll give you a perfect example. I remember in the early 90s, there was this crazy offense called the run and shoot. It's an offspring from the West Coast offense. The only difference is the run and shoot offense, they eliminated the position of tight end. And you're like, what? That's crazy. Yeah, back then, you know, I believe it was started by a guy named, oh my God, June Jones. I think it's June Jones, yeah. Head coach, oversee the coordinator of the Falcons, and then, anyway, things are becoming. But anyway, people said there's no more going to be no need for the tight end position. And if you're an observant, consistent NFL fan, you know, as soon as something becomes obsolete, for a while they'll disappear. Then all of a sudden they'll come back and hit you like a ton of bricks. Then all these offenses were doing 1, 2, even 3 tight end. They threw on the field formations. Yeah. I'm feeling a little obsolete today, but I'm becoming unobtainium because of you people. Whoosh! That's right. And you know, so another example is fullbacks. I mean, it's kind of still, very few teams have the fullback. Usually the fullback was the primary player that they used to block for the running back. And then as that position again reemerged, some of your fullbacks became specialists in catching like the slot route, where some of your fullbacks actually was a decoyed running back. Now we go to the running back position. And at one point they devalued the running back so badly that they were talking about creating another position. I mean, a different salary scale. My earphones sometimes turn off on my earbuds. Hope you can hear me. If not, great. So now the running back came more powerful than ever. You know, you got Jahmyr Gibbs. You got, my mind is going, Christian McCaffrey, Breece Hall. I got a running back. I know I'm missing out on some, but I'm trying to prove a point here. It's more important about how when something becomes obsolete, you don't give up. You push on and push on until you become so valuable, you become unobtainable. And that's what this little razor reminds me. And I don't have that much in my life, except for my wet shaving community, my cats, my YouTube, and yeah, my mom, you know, she has her own life and she does her own thing, and I have some cousins I chill with, but I don't got that much in-person friends. And you know, I hadn't been going to my mental health program lately, past couple of weeks, and because I just don't want to go there and do nothing. So I know this rambling, and this sounds like a ramble. It's all going to all come together like a nice Picasso. or an abstract art. What I'm trying to tell you is you are valuable. You're not worthless. And I picked out this razor because at the time, from my understanding, it was just like a cheap razor being made. No one wanted it. It was from the USSR. I think it was from the 1980s. But as time went on, and as they stopped making those razors, especially the one I have, which I'll show you in detail after this third pass, it became unobtainium. And I want you to put in that mindset that you're special, that you're unobtainium, and that you mean a lot to people. And for a cheaply made razor, it really shaves good. It goes back to people saying technique, 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 technique. Once I finish this, I'm going to show you why this razor is unique. And give you some little history that I know of. You may know more history than me. Put it in the comments. Hush! Ha-ba-ba-ba! Let me clean off my face first. Oh, beautiful shave. It really makes you appreciate what you have and what quirks you live by and who you are. Be who you are in a positive way for yourself and for others. All right. Here is the Saiver 2.0 razor. What makes this special is this version is half of it is solid base and the other half is closed comb. Also, it's a 4-piece razor, meaning you take a DE blade and first you put the DE blade, the normal one, here like that. Then there's like a little guard. Let me put this, because I'm very neurotic. There's a little guard here. You take that off. And there's a DE blade split in half. Hence, this is a 4-piece razor. Wow, thank you for staying with me this long. Let me go over the rest of my lineup and then we will talk a little more. Oh, I forgot to use the splash. I was so into the talk. Oh, thank God for baby wipes. So today I used the beautiful Aylsworth Altaire with the G5C knot, my trusty TRC lather bowl, the beautiful Adopted Acres Soap Company Barbershop scent, and your boy forgot to put some splash on. Push, ha ba ba. It's, ooh, I'm generous. I'm not cheap. Of course, this beautiful bougie sprayer. And the star of this shave is the Saiver 2.0 razor from the USSR. See, half of it is, let me get solid base. The other half is closed, as open comb. Wow, you stayed to the end of this video? Thank you so much. If you have time at 9 a.m. Eastern Time Zone, Saturday, go to Instagram. Go watch the Razor Company or the Razor Company Live with 4 great people talking about wet shaving in life and being supportive to one another. The greatest audience on the live stream. Also, for all your wet shaving needs, please go to therazorcompany.com. Well, thank you for staying on, and remember, you're not obsolete. You're unobtainable. Hush! Ha ba ba ba!